Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so dear student, this is a video of class 10, and in this video we are going to discuss about the ethanoic acid, one of the organic compound, where the functional group you can see. This one is the functional group. This COH means this one is carboxylic acid, okay now, and this one is the functional group. So it is with the CH3 and there are two carbon atoms, so that's why it is called as ethanoic acid. Okay, so we have to see the properties, esterification, saponification, its uses, its properties, okay now, of ethanoic acid. So very first one you can see the properties of ethanoic acid. This one is a colorless liquid with a pungent smell and sour taste, okay now. This one is actually colorless liquid with a pungent smell, and as it is a acid, so that taste would be the sour in taste. It is soluble in water, okay. When you will take some amount of ethanoic acid and you will add some amount of water into that one, you will see only that solubility of ethanoic acid, completely solubility of acetic acid or ethanoic acid in the water. Why I am calling it is as a acetic acid? Because its common name is also acetic acid, so that's why I am calling it as a acetic acid. Now you can see the vinegar. Acetic acid can also called as a vinegar, okay. If a solution which is actually 5% to 8% ethanoic acid, it is written over there 5% to 8%. This one is 5 to 8%. If ethanoic acid is present into the water, that one is called as vinegar. Vinegar is 5 to 8% ethanoic acid in water. Sometimes it is also written as acetic acid, okay, acetic acid in water, that one is known as vinegar. Okay, now you can see the esterification. What is esterification? Esterification is a process of making ester. How the ester will prepare? Ester will prepare after the, okay, so how the ester will prepare? Ester will prepare when the ethanoic acid is actually reacts with ethanol. Here you can see it is written over there, ethanoic acid that reacts with ethanol. This one is ethanoic acid and that one will react with ethanol. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, then it will form ester. It will form ester. You can see here ester, CH3COO. How can I write this one? CH3 C double bond O, and then after you can write here C2H5, okay now. This one is ester, and here the ester taste is sweet smelling taste of the ester would be there. So this one is the esterification, means the process by which we are actually preparing the ester, but every time it would lose the water molecule, because as you know that concentrated H2SO4 is what? Dehydrating agent. So what it will do? It will lose some water molecule, and how it will lose? You can see it will lose one OH from here and H from here, okay now. Okay, one H and H, it will lose H2O, okay. So that one is the esterification, that is actually produce the ester, and that one is esterification. The reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol to form an ester, that one is called as esterification. Now you can see the next one. What is saponification? Saponification is, you can say that saponification when an ester reacts with sodium hydroxide solution, okay. So that is esterification, when an ester react with sodium hydroxide, okay, that one is esterification. Ester means this ester, okay, and when you will take sodium hydroxide, you will see this reaction CH3COO C2H5. This one is ester, and ester react with NaOH, and that one will prepare CH3COONA, sodium salt of acid, and C2H5OH alcohol. That one is known as saponification. Okay, now the ethanoic acid reacts with base to form salt and water. As you know, this one can be the neutralization reaction. As you know, dear student, acid is there, and when acid react with base, then it will form the salt plus water. So here it is written here in this reaction. You can see this one is acid, this one is base, this one is salt, and this one is water. Okay na? So it has formed like this one. Ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to form salt water and carbon dioxide. Ethanoic acid plus sodium carbonate, it is actually forming sodium salt, okay, plus H2O plus CO2. So I have also given that trick that whenever some acid react with some carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, every time it will produce carbon dioxide and water. So this one would be the reaction. Okay, now you had seen all the properties of the acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Okay, now we will do the alcohol, and that one is ethanol. Okay na? You can see some important carbon compound, and here the ethanol is actually given. Ethanol is C2H5OH. How can we write this one? C2H5OH, C, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, CH3, CH, here OH you can take, OH, and here one more OH is there na, CH2. So this one is CH3, CH2 and OH. Okay, so here we have seen that this one is ethyl alcohol, some important carbon compound, and the one is ethanol. What is the ethanol? Ethanol properties. Ethanol is also a colorless liquid with a pleasant smell and burning taste. Okay, it is soluble in water just like ethanoic acid, but the difference between ethanoic acid and alcohol is there that here you can see the functional group is OH, but in that one COOH was there. Okay, now it is soluble in water, it is colorless. Ethanol reacts with sodium to form sodium ethoxide. You can see the reaction, how the reaction will proceed. C2H5, I can write like this one, C2H5O negative, H positive. Okay, when it will react with sodium, so this Na is more reactive, it will displace hydrogen, and what it will form? It will form one of its compounds. So it will form C2H5ONA plus hydrogen gas. Okay, now you can see ethanol reacts with hot concentrated H2SO4 to form ethene and water. Ethanol, whenever concentrated H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent, so water molecule it will lose, water molecule OH and H from here. So if one H will lose from H5, what it will form? It will form H4. Means one hydrogen it has lose plus one OH it has lose, so that means H2O, and here it remains C2H4. That means this one is the ethene. Okay na? Here you can see the uses it written. Ethanol is used for making alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic drinks, yes, ethanol is used for making wine and alcoholic drinks. It is used as a solvent. Ethanol in various cases used as a solvent. It is also act as an antiseptic. Okay, and tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine, how tincture of iodine will make? Iodine plus alcohol, and it is actually used in the antiseptic. As antiseptic, it can be used. It is used for making medicine such as tincture of iodine. It is written clearly, cough syrup, tonics. So these are some of the properties and uses of the ethanol. Okay now, so what you can do from this one, you can write one of the electron dot structure of this C2H5OH. How can you write? You know that carbon, single bond, carbon, this you can write in this one, C, okay na, O, H, but here you have to take 3H, But this bond, how this bond is forming, you have to show in the electron dot structure. I hope all of you will solve that one. Write the electron dot structure of ethanol. This would be your work, and I hope all of you will do this one. Okay, so this one was the ethanol and ethanoic acid. We will discuss this in the class. Thank you.